Hey guys, welcome to Colors in Motion. And today we will try to make something cool, make something minimal. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I have A4 document here. So, if you want to open a new document, just press Ctrl and N for new. And from here, you can choose a bunch of things, or you can give your manual height and weight and resolution and just click create to get this. So first thing, what I want is I want to create a new layer. Here you go. Click this icon to get the layer and rename this by clicking it PG. And from here, choose the pen bucket tool. From here, click the color and get something decent like this green or okay, let's go with this blue. That's good. And now what I want a text. By pressing T, you can access the text tool here. By clicking it, you will have this header or this blinking view. What is this called? Forgot it. Just type in any character you want. I'm typing C and make sure that it is not on. Press Ctrl T to get this transformation tool. Press Ctrl, not Ctrl, Shift or Alt, Shift and Alt, and drag it out to get this. Apply and align this. Okay, so we're done with our first and second step. Let's copy this PC layer. Press Ctrl and J to copy this. Double click and rename it FG over. Bring it up, press Ctrl and click on this layer. Click here only to get this selection. And then select this FG layer and click on layer mask. And then press Ctrl and I as this is the thing, like this is going on with this layer, but we want the invert part of this layer. So Ctrl I and hide this C text. So what we got this blank thing because this is green and this is green as well, blue. Get a new layer just right above this BG layer and rename this to shadow. Press B, whatever. Press B to get your brush tool and right click and drop the hardness to something 0. And from here drop down the opacity to 50% and flow to 50%. And choose something darker or something different. I'm going with this shade, this darker shade of this color, and simply just click and click, left click, and we'll get something like this. By adjusting the flow and opacity and size as well, and paint some shadows. And sorry for that interruption. It will look something like this. Now at this stage it is looking a bit flat. So to make it more dynamic, you can put anything, like any element going through this C character or whatever character you want to put, you can put here. Click a new layer with a brush and add something, branches. Let's go with the branches. Yep, this branch is looking pretty interesting. So let's go and press D to default the colors and select black and just click once. Nice. What I want to drag this layer down so that we got this thing inside, and again duplicate it and put it above everything. Put a layer mask, and now go for the brush, lower hardness and opacity, make it small and just paint it over. Simple like this. Okay. And now select this layer, double click, open layer style, go with the drop shadow, select it, and you can adjust the distance and things, spread subtlety will give you perfect results. Nice. And you can also drop some shadows here. Double click and drop shadow. Something subtle, some definition to give your items. So that is it. That is the final result. So this is minimal, and there is some 3D, fake 3D thing going on, and you can always go back to the layer, and if you want you can paint on some shadows as well. Let me just drop the opacity way down to get more controls. This is 3D-ish, and this is perfect for your next poster kind of thing. So thank you very much for joining in. Hope you like this video. If you do, then please do like, subscribe and comment on this video. I will meet you guys on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.